Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on Cash App. This payment was cancelled for your protection. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. As you can see, airplane mode. What you need to do it, turn it on at least the 30 second. You have turn it off and tap on Wi-Fi. And from here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll it down, tap on Cash App, then you as can see background app refresh. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and open your app store. From here you search for this Cash App. Tap on Cash App. From here you make sure that update new version. You as can see update, then tap on update, enter your Apple ID password, and after update your Cash App, then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back, tap on iPhone and iPad setting. From here you scroll it down and tap on journal, scroll it down, transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on again reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the method it doesn't work, then go for the last method. Go back, open your iPhone setting, then scroll down, tap on journal. From here you as can see iPhone storage, then tap on this, scroll down, then tap on Cash App. From here what you need to do it, offload Cash App, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.